Hey YouTube, it's me, JC number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this time I'm here for an unboxing video. And no, it's not about a bopping train, at least not yet. And it's not about Beyblading either. It's something rare and something different. Ta-da! Mecard Mega Dragon. And that's a mechanical toy that I just bought from Walmart. From Walmart. That Walmart is the last one on the... there are only 2 left, but I bought this one. And the last one is still back there in Walmart. And that Walmart, it's been shutting down. It's on Mohawk, just letting you know. And this one cost, now that one is fading. Yeah. Let me get you a close look on it. Yeah. $59.97. Yeah. And this one is a rare specimen. A rare toy. The ultimate fire truck. Take it down Black Mirror. And the only one that Black Mirror just sealed its fate. And of course, he's the legendary Mechanimal. And you're gonna watch me unbox it. Okay. Why did I answer the cutscene? Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's get this started. This was already opened up here, and don't mind it. It's just ready to be peeled off. The tapes are already cut down here. Bet some curious kid. Or was it like that? Or did they open it like, who cares? And out you go. Haha. Take a look. Whoa. I wonder what's changed this thing. Let's find out. Okay. Oh, how many tweezers here? Tangle that. Hold on. Got it. Yeah. Man, so then it looks. The cake. Whoa, this is taking long. Okay. Oh, you must have get good packed. Found it. Aha! Okay. Now, Mecard. Oh, wait. Right. These things. Oh. Now, pull it off. Ah. Oh, great. Pardon me for a second. Okay. Now I took care of that. Throwing these out. Now. Aha! Nada! Mecha Dragon's free! There. Now, and let me get this open up and that open up and there. Haha! There we go. Now. Picture perfect. The legendary Mechanimal. The Mecha Dragon. Look. You could put a Mechanimal here. Now, once we transform it back. Oh man, this is gonna be difficult than it looks. Okay, well, the instructions are on the bottom here. As you could see, the bottom of this box. Ha. Flap, 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 flap. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, two. Oh. Okay. Yeah, and. All right, now. There. Oh, shoot. Okay, this could take a while. Hold on. There. Got it. Okay, this part here seemed to be a bit loose and hard of it, and it closing. But, okay, the front here seemed to be broken. But, oh, hold on. Cheap toys. Oh, well. Oops. Hold on. There. Now, let me try it with a Mechanimal. I got tons of them here, but I'm gonna try one. Oh, zipper closed. Screecher's wild. Oh boy. I think they're all at the bottom. Oh, no, not all of them. Okay, I got one. Okay. Alright. Here's Crocky. Alright. I think one of them stuck. Ah, great. Okay. Think I got it right. Here's Crocky, and here goes the Mechanimal. Haha. Slide down. Oh. Like a slide. I think it's supposed to pop it open. Alright, let me try again. Okay. Some of these Mechanimals are easily to pop out and not so easy to keep hold inside like this. You know that? And of course, for my opinion, it'll pop out if I touch it again. I ain't gonna hold it right here just in case it does. Yeah. No, I think I got it this time. Okay. See, the point is you pop a Mechanimal right in here, right? And, oh, well, you know, I opened it. And when you open it up like this, you get to put in one Mechanimal and can drive out of there real easily. Like this. Okay, let's try it. Haha! Ah! Yeah! Way to go, Crocky. Huh. Yes, Mecha Dragon. Now this is one of the best Mechanimals that I ever bought. Well, one of the last Mechanimals that I ever bought. I hope Mecard might make a comeback soon. Well, in English. Well, I only watched the episode all the way to English. You know, these episodes of animation really get me excited. And that's what I like about cars. So then, I want to say that thank you very much for watching, and I hope you might put like and subscribe, and I hope you might want, and if you want to see more unboxing videos, you can press the subscribe button for more. And I promise you, I'm gonna upload more Mecard AMVs this October. I hope you all have a very good summer. And I hope that you could find one of these guys at our last stock in stores, or find one on eBay or Amazon. Till then, see you guys next time, and I'll see you again in the next video. Peace out, yo! There. JC, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.